Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this brilliant Toyota CHR 1.8 VVT-h Excel CVT. Now this vehicle has currently run 58,650 miles and it's finished in the colour Dakuma Grey. It does come with full Toyota service history, it's been well maintained and it's a lovely example. It does sit nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. Gain access very easily thanks to the keyless entry and go. You can unlock and start the vehicle without touching the key fob. Here in the boot you'll find 377 litres of space, which can be increased to 942 with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you'll find your gorgeous two-tone leather and cloth interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Here up front you'll find your leather multifunction steering wheel, round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. You've got some controls for the infotainment system here on the left. On the right you'll also find your controls for the trip display as well as your lane departure warning system and your cruise control. On the display here you've got access to all of your standard driving data. You can see hybrid driving information such as your energy monitor. You also have your navigation, audio, driver assist menu, as well as vehicle messages and your settings. You've got access to your front collision warning, blind spot monitoring system as well. You also have the road sign recognition. This CHR does come with the park assist feature. You have the option of parallel parking and perpendicular, so it can park itself up for you to remove the stress of it. In the centre of the dashboard you'll find your touchscreen infotainment system where you've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You also have access to USB, auxiliary input and Bluetooth, allowing you to play your own music. This CHR does come with navigation to ensure you're never lost. You also have your Toyota Online feature which you can access through internet connectivity for different applications, and there's also your Bluetooth telephone connectivity allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. Here on the vehicle menu you've got access to your trip information as well as your energy monitor for the hybrid system. Here in the settings you'll find your system settings available to you. This CHR does come with a reverse camera as well as the park assist. Below you'll find your automatic dual zone climate control. You also have heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those colder days. Underneath there your USB and auxiliary input and a cup holder, your automatic gear selector here. You also have your button for the full EV mode.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.